Hey, let's bring in Physics 10 video update number 1 for March 18th, 2020. First off, hey, I hope everybody is doing well and you're at home relaxing and not getting too stressed out. Let me just start off by acknowledging that these are pretty crazy times. I've never had anything like this happen in my lifetime, nor has most people. And I've been teaching 19 years and I've never been as stressed as I am now. I imagine many of you are in the same situation. Most of us instructors don't know how to teach online. I don't know the best way to deliver content online or how to do office hours or things like that. I'm using Zoom, but now everybody's using Zoom and there's all sorts of issues. And anyway, we're all figuring this out as we go along, and I imagine you're in the same boat also. So I just wanted to give you a little video update just because I have to take a break from emails. You probably are tired of getting emails from me. I have probably gotten 500 plus emails in the last 2 days and answered I can't tell you how many. So I'm trying to sort of reduce the number of emails I send out to you and then make them more focused. Along those lines, I created a Physics 10 resource page for you. And this is just going to be basically information that's going to help with Physics 10 and the whole online transition. So I sent out an email with the link. What you have on here is a link to my private Zoom room. This is the link that you can use for all online lectures when they happen, for virtual office hours and things like that. And just so you know, I will always post any lecture, any online office hours and stuff like that to YouTube. So if you can't make it, you can always access the videos on YouTube. I also have links to a playlist. I created a Physics 10 playlist on YouTube, and it's linked on your resources page along with any videos that I create. Also, I uploaded 2 PDF versions of your textbook, the 10th edition and the 11th edition. 10th edition is a bit older, but it's a really good PDF file, but it's huge. It's like 500 megabytes. The 11th edition is a much smaller file, but it's a little bit blurry. I recommend just downloading and using the 10th edition. Also, I will post lecture notes that are the lecture notes that I use. I'm just going to post them so that you can look at those. And then, yeah, any links to videos and things like that. So let me just throw this out there that we're all figuring this out, like I said. And in order to be successful in Physics 10 and pretty much any class, you need to really be disciplined. Taking an online class is completely different than taking a live class. You really need to make sure you are staying up with all the material. So far, I've only done one quick little lecture. It was really just recapping chapter 22 and going through the homework solutions. Tomorrow, I will do a video on chapter 23, and I'll send out an email later on to let you know when. My goal is to ultimately try and just do the online lectures at the same time the normal lectures are. However, one, nobody's allowed on campus without special permission from an administrator. I'm trying to see when I can come on campus tomorrow. Two, I imagine some of you are in the same situation. My daughter doesn't have school, which means that, I have her half the time. I basically need to homeschool her, plus, watch her at the same time as trying to make videos and do online lectures and answer thousands of emails. It's going to be a challenging time for everybody. So I'm going to really sort of focus on the most important material. I will let you know with things that you do not need to cover. So far you should have chapter 22 homework done, and ideally started reading chapter 23 that I will lecture on tomorrow. My first intention was to just collect all the homework once we start meeting live again. However, it's looking like we may be on, quote unquote, lockdown, shelter in place until the end of the semester. It's looking more and more like this whole online learning is going to go on until the end of the semester, possibly even in the summer. So take spring break, develop some good habits, and then just try and stay disciplined and stay on top of this course and all your other courses. And I will do whatever I can to support you and provide you all the resources possible. That said, if you come across a great resource that you think would help other people, please let me know and feel free to reach out and send me an email if you need to. Just know that I will do my best to get back to you as soon as possible, but I'm so swamped with emails that, yeah, I don't have the normal response time. All right, that is it. I hope you're having a good Wednesday. Look for an email from me later tonight on when class will be tomorrow. Just so you know, right now, I'm going to have office hours for Physics 10 today from, what time am I looking at? From 3 to 3:30. And my intention is tomorrow, assuming I'm allowed on campus, to have a Zoom lecture from 9:45 to 10:30, and then office hours 10:30 to 11. But I will send you out an email with an update. All right, that's it. Stay healthy, and hopefully I'll see you guys in a few weeks. Hopefully everything will get better, but we'll see. All right, that is it for now.